Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel, and now I will start with giving you a tutorial how to build a 3D exercise with this model. And just let's get started. So I've just made the sample right here, and now what we should have built first is this part first. So now you change to the top view, and then you build in this part. You have to know is the length and the height. The length is 90 and the height is 48, but we just use 48 first, and later we will add the 35 line. And now 90 tab 48, yep, right, space, and then enter. And now we build the circle right here. You just divide the 58 by 2. So you find the middle point and activate the ortho mode, and you type 29, and then to the top is 19 is 16, and you build a circle with diameters 6. Oh, the radius, I'm sorry, we create a circle with radius is 6, and then you delete the helper line, and you just mirror the circle with the midpoint as the helper point, and then you fill it the edges of this one and this one with diameter 6. Diameter is 6. And then from here you build the box in the front side. It's 90 tab 13, and then you push pull this to 23, right? 23, and you press pull again this side with 13, and short that, done, and just group this and then 3D rotate like this, and you just can move this part to wherever you want, so like this. And then we build the circle part, like right here. We built this with here diameter is 70, and in the outside is 44.5, like this. And then you have to press pull. It's the thickness is 32. You just type here 32, and then you move it first, and then you build the this part. It's actually you build this. It's 32 with the height is 13, and then you press pull. You press pull to, oh sorry, I mean you have to make right here. Wait, oh, we do it first. We build this 31.75 tab 32, and now we build the circle right here and build a circle in the middle like this with radius 16. I think it's actually diameter 16, and you just delete the thing that you don't need and press pull the part with thickness just 7 actually 7, and then you build a part 32 with tab 5. So this is for the middle, it's 32, and then you just have to delete the helper for circle or the schematic actually, and then you just have to rotate the circle, this one, and we can up, and this you 3D rotate too, like here, and just delete this, delete, and this you 3D rotate again with the blue one, and you just have to move, oh sorry, we move this first, and don't forget to turn off the auto mode, and make sure that this is in the line right here, and then you just have to set this to the realistic, and you just have to turn this out like this, and then you change again the realistic to the 2D wireframe, and then you move this part to this angle down, and then you choose this part again, and mirror this to the other side and activate the ortho mode like this, and done. And then you have to make interfere command and choose the circle and box, and uncheck the delete interference object greater than close, and close, and then you go to subtract command, and in this you click the circle first, and then you click the subtract one like this. You just delete this helper line, and boom, it's done. And then you make a helper line from this side. It's like, what is this, 76. You just build 76 lines, and you join this. You join the circle with the helper line that you just make, and you make a helper line again in the circle. It's just for easy move when you want to move this. Oh, don't forget to group this circle, and just move it with the helper line. Don't forget to deactivate your auto mode, and then you just have to make this side, and you choose the midpoint on the top like this, and then you copy the line, and then you paste wherever you want, and just build the 3D rotate first like this, 3D rotate, and change this position to lay down, and activate your auto mode for make you easier. And from this you just have to make this side to 35, and you have to close this with a helper line like this, and don't forget to close the downside, and you just have to trim the part that you didn't use, and you press pull with the thickness is 16, and you just have to 3D rotate again, and now you have to make this to side up and then you deactivate the ortho mode and choose the midpoint of the circle, and like this. Now you delete the helper line, and then you type the interval program. Just type enf and you click the circle and the box right here and space, and I check the delete interference, close, and subtract like here, and subtract this circle with this I'm sorry, subtract this building with this, and after that you just explode it. Make sure, and after that just make the realistic. Yes, and it will be like this. And for the edges we just have to fillet edge, fillet edges with the radius you type for 3, and you enter, and same for the other side. Just filter edge, type radius, and type 3, and choose the side, and it's like this. You just have to make this to one group so you can move it with freely. Done. Okay, thank you for watching me, and just for this, thank you very much. Bye bye.